Children, we are continuing with this earlier video. Till page number 43 we have done in the practice book in the unit 5 describing words. Now we are dealing with the page number 44. Before that you should know the order of adjectives. How can we write the adjectives in an order? So first one, determiner. We have to write the some group of, see what is the order of adjectives. Only one adjective if you want to use, no problem. If you want to use two, one more than one, there should be an order to follow. So it is not like whichever word will come. To avoid this kind of confusion, we have to write some order. That is called ASCAS comp. What is this ASCAS comp? Order means first to opinion, then size, then age, then shape. OSSAS. OSAS, ASCAS. COMP, comp. ASCAS comp. I will tell later, don't worry. Before that we have to add determiner also. Determiners are nothing but determine the noun, how many are there. Okay. Then opinion, we have to go how it is, great or terrible, pretty, lovely, silly, beautiful, quality. Then size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin, then material, after finally purpose. After that all 9 adjectives are there. Suppose in a sentence all 9 adjectives are there. After that finally we have to give a noun. So the general good student what will do now? He will add one word from each circle and he will make a big group of adjective noun. Okay, adjective word. See here we will do now. A great, huge, innocent, round, pink, origin, wooden, bat. See, we can use a great, huge, innocent, round, flat, sorry, round I used, flat, yellow, wooden, bat. We can use in that way. You can create a number of words like this, but we should play one game on this. I will try to play. Next, ASCAS comp. What is ASCAS comp? I said just now. O means origin, S means size, A means age, again second S means shape, C means color, O means origin, M means material, P means purpose. Before that, determiner also there. So determiner anyway we have to use generally AR and before a noun. Okay. Then now adding adjectives. Do it yourself. Look at here. Look at the pyramid. See, observe that how the line, the sentence is developing. The thief ran fast. A thief was there. The thief ran fast. How he ran? Very fast. Okay. The tall thief ran fast. How? We are explaining the noun thief. How was the thief? Tall. Then second, the tall dark thief. See, first color, then the texture. No, first size, then color. Dark. The tall dark thief. Then the tall dark thin. Thin should be first. It should come. A thin, tall, dark thief should be there, but here thin is given before the noun. No, first we have to come a thin, tall, thin, dark thief ran fast. Get into your groups of 4. Think a naming word. Each member of the group should add an adjective. Make your own pyramid by adding adjectives like this. First we have to give 9 ourselves. So first I will give the student. I had given a phrase. The good student. The tall good student. The young tall good student. The fat young tall good student. The Indian fat young tall good student. So like this we have to add. What we have to add adjective? I had given the student. The student sit in our class. Okay, I will add that one. I will send a pic. Please see that. Fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words given in bold. Take help from the aid box. See here. Jayesh likes to drink hot coffee, but Meera likes it. Hot opposite what? Cold. Yes. Mr. Paul is a cruel man, but his wife is cruel opposite? Kind. Rajat is wearing an old shirt, but his sister's skirt is old opposite? New. An elephant can lift heavy loads, but donkey can do only heavy opposite. Heavy opposite light. Ritu has hair, but Rima's hair is short. Short opposite long. See, they had given the clue box. Okay. Have we done with all the words? Yes. Old we have to use here old. Ancient I said no. Old is opposite new. Another word old opposite young also. But here we are talking about that skirts. No skirts. So it is new. It is old new. Third one C1. And match the words that go together. So these are the nouns, these are the adjectives. We have to match, and these words together we have to fill in the blanks. Kind, kindness, bus, detective, maybe detective, soldier. No, kind nurse. Clever detective will go. We can't say kind detective. Detective before we use clever. Brave soldier. Crowded bus. Frightening noise. Yeah. Now use these group of words in the sentences given below. A. The dash spoke gently to the patient. Patient near who will be? Nurse. Kind nurse. The dash laid down in his life for the country. Country who will? A soldier. The brave soldier. Abhishek gave his seat to an old man in the seat bus, crowded bus. Yes. Sherlock Holmes was a dash. He could solve any case given to me. Sherlock Holmes is a greatest novel. Sherlock Holmes always is a famous detective. So always we say that clever detective. Clever detective. The cracker exploded accidentally. There was a dash sound. Cracker what? Explode. When a cracker exploded, what will come? Sound. Obviously, frightening sound. And all the children ran away. Okay, next. Tick the most suitable answer. Remaining answer also suitable, but most suitable. Astronauts wear clothes in space. Special clothes. Ordinary clothes are special. Special clothes. Sujata thinks crows are. I don't agree. I think they are handsome. Handsome. So she is not agreeing, no. So handsome opposite ugly. Wooden chairs are, but cane chairs are not. Of course, cane chairs are very light. So wooden chairs obviously heavy. The headman in a village is a person. Powerless person, can we say? No. Powerful person. In case of a dispute, all the villagers go to him. As he is powerful, so he go for the villagers. Villagers go to him to solve their problems. Farhin studies in class 4, your class only. This is what he feels about his father. See, my father is an angry man, but he is a brave soldier. He is very punctual. He leads a disciplined life. See here, a great work to you. This is a chance to describe your father. Describe your father in 4 or 5 lines. Observe your father and write. So, no need to observe. Just if you think about your father, you come to know how your father is. Then write 4 to 5 lines. This is homework. I can't write your father features. So, you should write your father how he is. Okay. My father. You should start sentence like this. My father is. So on so word. So like these sentences you should write 4 or 5 lines. Not don't go more than that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines are there. If you want to add one more line, no problem. Thank you children. This is the adjectives from the practice book. We done with that. Both the videos. Watch and do the practice book.